important to know that this borehole in Nyamukere, the very first borehole that Fruits of Life has done in a community like this one, has been a success because, as you notice, the child who is pumping the borehole is actually just using one hand, and the water is much, as you notice. As you notice, mainly children that come for water. There's an expecting mother on the side there. There's also come for water, but it's mainly children that come for water. Children and women. You see the children are really enjoying fetching water because the bowl is soft. It's very easy to get water even using one hand, as you notice. So this is Acacia Bank borehole, which means God's grace. Though the commission has not been done, we made a surprise visit to see how the community is responding to the borehole that was put in the community. Thank you. God bless you.